Hello, hello. Summer is slowly creeping upon us, and that means music will be required outside our homes. That's why today we'll take a look at this Tribit MaxBoom Bluetooth speaker that was sent to us for a test by Tribit. Big thank you for this opportunity. So, what do we have here? Waterproof, XBASS, can be used for hands-free calling, long battery life, and great sound. Sounds like a fairy tale, not gonna lie. On this side of the box there are more detailed specifications of what we'll get from this Tribit MaxBoom wireless speaker. 24 watts, 2 active speakers and 2 passive radiators. That's nice. 20 hours running time is also nice. Just remember that this time varies depending on the volume and type of songs. Half a kilogram also indicates some serious business. I already want to see what it looks like. Voila! As always, the documents greet us first. It turns out there are 3 colors available if you want to be different. Today we have black version, classic. Info about what awaits us in a package. Info about all its buttons, it could be useful. Also how to connect it and how to connect 2 speakers together. By the way, you can connect 2 speakers together for bigger party. More papers with contact information and about the terms of the warranty. Warranty is always a nice thing to add. This means that manufacturer trusts its products. But such cards though you can't see very often. Socially responsible company. Thumbs up for them. Wow, a small introduction story. It turns out the speaker was formerly called XBoom. Well, it's time for the dessert we were all waiting for. Meet the speaker. Let's see what else is in the box. From the edges I can see that the bottom is empty. Well, taking out the cable could have been solved differently. Now I had to dig down the whole box to get one cable. Well, I'm a little confused now. I'll have to sit down later to find out how to put it all back. This certainly can be handled differently. The cable we were fighting for is a micro USB charging cable. That's all there was in the box. I think it's about time to start using USB Type-C cables because, well, they're becoming daily standard. Baby, come out and see the sunlight. Wow, looking good. I like it. If you also like it, then smash that like button. Unnecessary inscriptions were removed so that they don't interfere with our first impressions. Buttons are working quite well. Even in the dark, such big buttons will be easy to see. The fabric is very nice. And a couple more buttons on the back. And oh, one passive radiator at the bottom. At the top, another passive radiator, and a strap button with a Tribit inscription. How cute and thoughtful. Since this speaker is waterproof, the charging and aux audio inputs are also under a hermetically sealed cover. But before you drown this speaker, make sure that covers are closed. It's time to turn on and rate how this Tribit MaxBoom portable Bluetooth speaker is behaving. We turn on phone's wireless connection and look for Tribit MaxBoom, and then connect. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a little bass excursion test. Put on your headphones and listen to this small sound and visual demo.
Here we go!
Well, it's pumping air very well, but you will see the real tests in next videos. I have already selected interesting opponents for the sound test. I'll also try bass test without a speaker grill and put this Tribit speaker in water. So what are my first impressions of this Tribit MaxBoom, or I'm currently looking at this speaker and it's also called StormBox wireless speaker. First of all, it looks very cool. It fits well in hand, is heavy, strap for hanging the speaker somewhere is also very Gucci. The fabric depends on user. If you are not a piggy, then it will look good for a long time. But if speaker is often without a hard case flying around in the bag, then the speaker will wear out and won't look so cool anymore. Waterproof is also a good thing if you're near water or on the water. If your friend also has this speaker, you can connect 2 together at the same time and party is guaranteed. For the sound, I'm not a big fan of wireless speakers, but for $50–60 currently on the internet, it's a good deal. For that money, you can get something very small from JBL or Sony, but you will be able to judge the sound yourself in the next sound and bass test videos. It should be noted that speakers are on the sides, thus the speaker creates a wider sound. But it's not as loud in the forward direction as it is in JBL and Sony speakers, where the speakers are in the front. So smash those like and subscribe buttons and see you in the next soundcheck videos. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment about the speaker that you currently use, what you like about it, what you don't like about it, and let's create a nice discussion below in the comments section. Thank you and stay safe.